Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English Moments, your space to learn real, natural English. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for weekly lessons and speaking practice. Today, we're diving into one of the most common and useful English questions. Have you ever? We'll show you how to use it in real conversations and help you avoid common mistakes. Let's go.
So, have you ever? What does that mean?
Great question. We use have you ever to ask someone if they've had an experience at any time in their life, from the past until now.
Like, have you ever eaten sushi?
Exactly. It means, in your whole life, have you tried sushi before?
Part 1. Where can we use have you ever?
Let's talk about situations where we can use this.
Sure. First, when we're sharing experiences.
Example?
Have you ever been to the beach?
Perfect. That's a great conversation starter.
Another one is when we talk about unusual or exciting things.
Like, have you ever gone skydiving?
Nope, too scary. What about you?
Never, but I've always wanted to try.
You can also use it when talking to someone new, like a travel buddy or a classmate.
Exactly. Have you ever studied abroad, or have you ever tried learning a new language?
It makes the conversation interesting and personal.
And it's super useful in job interviews too.
Right, like have you ever worked with international clients or have you ever led a team?
It helps employers know about your past experience, not just what you do now. Part 2. Common mistakes learners make.
Oh, yes, I've seen quite a few. Mistake 1, using the wrong verb form.
For example, have you ever went to London? That's wrong.
Right, the correct sentence is, have you ever been to London?
Why? Because we need the past participle, not the past tense.
Mistake 2, using specific time expressions.
Another mistake, have you ever been to Tokyo last year? Nope, that's incorrect. You can't use have you ever with a specific time like last year or yesterday.
Instead, say, did you go to Tokyo last year? Or have you ever been to Tokyo? No time mentioned.
Mistake 3, mixing up been and gone.
This one's tricky. Have you ever gone to Paris? Or have you ever been to Paris?
Actually, both can be correct, but they mean slightly different things.
Been to means you went and came back. Gone to means you went and you're still there or not back yet.
Example, Tom has been to Spain. He went and returned. Tom has gone to Spain. He's still there now. Part 3, practice and mini quiz. Let's do a quick practice. I'll say a sentence, and you say if it's right or wrong.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
Have you ever ate sushi? Nope. It should be, have you ever eaten sushi?
Have you ever watched a horror movie alone?
Correct. Have you ever did your homework late?
Nope. It should be, have you ever done your homework?
Great job. Now let's try asking each other again.
Have you ever stayed up all night studying?
Oh yes, before exams, many times.
Same here. Coffee was my best friend.
Have you ever spoken public?
Yes, I gave a presentation to 200 people. I was shaking the whole time.
Have you ever made an English-speaking mistake in front of a native speaker?
Many times, but I just laughed and learned from it.
That's the best way to improve.
So today, you learned
Men and women, mixing household chores, equally sharing responsibilities, reducing stress, building stronger bonds, helping females, and working together, have fun. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, have you ever learned something new from our videos? If yes, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Learn English Moments.